Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you'll learn on how to add Amazon affiliate link on TikTok 2024. So right here, I am on my Amazon account. So you just have to open any of your web browser and then go to amazon.com. Okay, and then make sure to log into your Amazon account. So just click on this account section over here and then sign in to your account. And as you can see, I have this Amazon Associate Site Stripe feature on my Amazon account because I have signed up to the Amazon Affiliate Program. Okay, so if you don't have this one, you cannot get your Amazon affiliate link. So to sign up for an Amazon affiliate account, you just have to open a new tab and then simply type out Amazon affiliate. And then you just have to simply click on this first website. Okay, and then you'd be redirected to this page over here. And as you can see, I already created my Amazon Associate account, so I don't have to create one. So if you don't have an account yet, you just have to follow the steps and you can make yours. Okay, so since I already have mine, I'm just going to close this tab for now and then go back here on Amazon. So on the other tab, I have my TikTok account. So we are going to use this one later on to promote our Amazon affiliate link. Okay, so let's go back here on Amazon. So what we are going to do here is to simply find the products that we are going to use. Okay, so you just have to scroll down and be able to see different products. But I suggest you have to go here on the today's deals section. So here we have different categories. We have Amazon brands, computer and accessories, beauty, home or fashion, and more. Okay, so maybe for this one, I'm going to select fashion. And then from there, just have to select the product that you are going to use to promote your Amazon affiliate link on TikTok. Okay, so maybe this one would do. So you just have to simply click on that product. And then right here, you'd be able to see the product details. Okay, so we have here now the product title, as well as the price of the product, the variant of the product, and of course, the product details. Okay, so we have to save this because we are going to use this one later on when we post this product on our TikTok account. So right here, since we are using our computer as a jest, we are going to use the video of this product. Okay, so to save the video of this product, you just have to simply right click and then save this video to your computer. Okay, so after that, you just have to click on save and then just wait until the video is downloaded. Okay, so just give me a second. Okay, so after that, let us now go to our TikTok account. Okay, so right here, you just have to simply click on the upload button, this one at the top right. And then right here, just have to select the video that you are going to upload. So just click on select video. And then go to your folder and then locate the video that you have downloaded from Amazon. So this one over here, and then just simply click on open. Okay, so just wait for a couple of seconds. And then right here, this is the crucial part because, we have to take note that in order for us to upload our post here on TikTok properly, we have to give credit to Amazon, okay? Because we are selling product from Amazon and then we are using the images or videos from Amazon. So for example, you just have to simply type out, for example, maybe this product is originally from amazon.com. So if you want to get this product, you just have to simply click on this link. So something like that. So if you want to create an effective disclaimer, so you can use online tools, for example ChatGPT. You can ask for help to create a better disclaimer. Okay, so but for this video, I'm just going to create a simple one to give you an example. So something like this product is originally from Amazon. So if you want to get this product, to buy this product, or to purchase this product, just have to click on this link. Okay, so right here, after typing this out, we can now use our Amazon affiliate link to get our commission once this product is purchased by someone. So let's go back here now. So right here, you just have to simply click on text. Okay, And then after that, we have here our short link as well as the full link. So of course, I suggest you use the short link only. So you just have to copy the link and then go back to your TikTok account. And then right here, you just have to paste the link. Okay, so just click on paste. Then after that, of course, do not forget to include the title or the name of the product as well as the price. Okay, so let's go back on Amazon. And then let me just copy this short name of this product. So you just have to click on copy and then go back to TikTok and then paste it here. Okay, next is the price of the product. So let's go back here and then just simply copy the price of the product and then just have to paste it right here. Okay, so make sure that the price of the product as well as the title is correct. Okay, so we already have the disclaimer, the link of the product, the title of the product, and of course the price of the product. So what we are going to do next is to select our cover for this video. Okay, so for example, right here, you just have to proceed to the cover section. And if you would like to add hashtags and mention, so you can do that as well. So maybe for this one, I'm just going to use this cover or thumbnail for this post. You can also adjust this box, okay? And then after that, you just have to simply click on confirm. Then right here for the audience, make sure that you select everyone, okay? So that everyone is going to see this post. Then after that, you can also post this one right now or you can schedule this post. So right here, you can allow your video to be saved for scheduling posting. So if you want to apply this one, just click on allow, okay? But for this one, I'm just going to click on now. So after that, you just have to click on post and then just wait for a couple of seconds and then click on manage post. So as you can see right here, this product has been posted on our account. So let's go to our profile and then check the video. So when someone see this video or click on this video from our profile, they'd be able to see in the description section the disclaimer, the name of the product, the link of the product, as well as the price. So when they copy the link and then paste it on their web browser, they'd be redirected to Amazon where they can find this product. And if they purchase this one, of course, we can get our commission since we use our Amazon associate link to promote this product. Okay, so you just have to make sure that you have signed up for an Amazon associate account so that you can get your affiliate link. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.